Since the outbreak of the pandemic of COVID-19, Oman Radio has kept abreast with the latest developments on the national efforts, especially the front line of healthcare workforce. Oman Radio meeting halls and rooms witness continuous and busy preparations and meetings on making and drafting the news on novel coronavirus to reach all citizens and residents of the Sultanate of Oman with important health messages and preventive measures to keep themselves, their families, and colleagues safe and sound.
Nowadays, you can have access to radio via various means, including mobile apps, online streaming, as well as the ordinary radio devices. This helps an easy access to radio at your office, your car, your house, or anywhere at any time. In addition, preparing a radio program is much easier, cheaper, and faster than making a TV program. All these criteria has helped radio to quickly reach out to people, especially those who do not speak Arabic, to get our news bulletins, programs, and guidelines related to COVID-19. We are working 7 days, 24 hours to update this news so everybody here in Oman is aware how to deal correctly with this pandemic.
Just breaking news coming out, the Ministry of Health today, they've announced that 10 people have died of COVID-19 in the past 24 hours.
Radio news editing teams have been working relentlessly to acquire and deliver reliable, comprehensive, and clear messages and information to its listeners. This is Radio Sultanate of Oman and the time is 6 p.m. The news first, the headlines.
From the beginning of this pandemic, our daily news bulletins prioritize COVID-19 statement from the Ministry of Health, and we have continuously worked together with news editors to broadcast various reports that educate people in order for them to take precautionary measures on COVID-19. Also, we record informative stings to inform people on many preventive methods.
Oman Radio has been covering updates and decisions from the Supreme Committee on COVID-19 and officials from the Ministry of Health.
What we do here is a lot of programs, awareness programs for the public, so we can be safe and to be away from the coronavirus and to stay healthy and safe.
Figures on new cases, mortality rates, and patients admitted in the healthcare institutions were covered and broadcasted in Arabic and English languages to reach to a broader audience in Oman.
Since coronavirus entered Oman, Oman Radio has given continuous talk on preventive measures.
Indeed, Oman Radio has been working and continue to work hand in hand with other media outlets to raise people awareness on the danger and impact of not observing the health guidelines. At the same time, it has highlighted benefits of making social distancing and other preventive measures. Dear citizens and fellow residents, once again, let's all follow these preventive measures to reduce the transmission of COVID-19. Stay alert. Control virus to save lives. Abdallah bin Ahmed Rubaiey, Sultanate of Oman Television, Muscat.